This is an introductory video to a 9-hour course titled Numeracy Across Learning. In the 9-hour course, participants will understand the definition and rationale for numeracy across the learning curriculum. They will be acquainted with some of the strategies for numeracy across the curriculum. They will explore the relationship between literacy and numeracy. And finally, they will be familiar with some strategies for teaching numeracy. Let's start with the definition of numeracy. Numeracy is a term that's used for mathematical literacy. In order for someone to be numerate, they will need to be able to read and write as a prerequisite for learning numeracy. A simple definition of numeracy is that numeracy is the ability to reason and to apply simple numerical concepts. It consists of comprehending fundamental computational concepts. These include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So what do we mean when we talk about numeracy across learning? This is the notion that using mathematical skills in all fields of learning enriches learning and contributes to developing a deeper understanding of numeracy. Therefore, essential components of learning in other subjects should, as much as possible, include simple math. We will now explore some of the strategies for teaching numeracy. There are 4 key proficiency stands in teaching numeracy. These are understanding the number sense, including names, numerals, and quantities. Fluency, basically being able to count easily and readily. There's problem solving, and this has to do with learning mathematical problem solving. And finally, reasoning, learning to reason mathematically. In order to register for the 9-hour course, please send an email to jkigamo@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.